What we got going on? What? That's not how you go, naughty!
Oh, don't break my knee now there, big boy.
I'm coming to town. I'm making my list. I love this song. I love this singer. All-time favorite song. I'm coming for you guys right now. All right, see you soon. The real Santa's back. Oh, I didn't know anybody was watching me. How y'all doing out there? Just taking my, my 10th afternoon nap. Oh, man, it's almost Christmas time. I'm getting ready. It's tiresome up here. Let me see. Let me keep opening some letters up from everybody. Oh, from Avalanche, Avalanche. Dear Santa, help us. On site, we have 5 million orders a day. We can't keep up with it. We need your help. We need more forklift drivers. Can you please come and get forklift certified by the best forklift drivers in the world? I don't know about that. But, okay, all right. Pick and packing ornaments and help loading the puppies up. The pups, UPS pups. Okay. Okay. Please help us. We need your help with on-site to keep up with the orders. From Avalanche. I got no problem breaking a sweat a couple days earlier before Christmas. I'll come on down there for the North Pole, help you all out, okay? Ho, 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 ho!
Good morning, class. We're here for Forklifting 101. It is to keep you safe, others safe around you, and our buildings intact. I have our instructional video here by Claus, fully dubbed from German to English. And
Oh, Barrett! Oh, you've been a good boy this year. I hope I'm not late for the class. I got your letter.
You're terribly late, but better late than never.
Better late than never. I'm looking forward to your forklift certification class. I'm here to help with your on-site problems. Can we begin?
We can.
Yes. Let's rock and roll, baby.
I'd like to hand out your forklift driver's licenses for plant traffic. So here we have Mr. Warwick.
This is Chad.
Oh, sorry, teacher. Are you ready? Great movie. Great movie.
Ready?
What do we got next?
Are we ready for the test? You're ready for the test.
Let's
You
do
gotta
it.
be ready
Let's
for
do
the
it.
test.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right. Do I just fill it out? I gotta know all this stuff now, right?
Yeah, kinda. Well,
All right.
we're gonna turning off the truck. You know how to do that. You don't really need to know how to do that.
What?
The pedal? Forget that. Let's see. Lifting stuff. It lifts stuff.
What's the answer to 8?
Let's move on to 13.
13. Okay.
Yeah.
So I got all those right beforehand.
Yeah,
Good.
they were
Okay.
close enough.
Okay.
Close enough.
Okay.
The following affect truck stability. Yeah, slopes and stuff. You're good. You got slopes, right?
Yeah. So I guess I passed certification.
Let me see. Looks good to me. I think you passed.
Oh! Oh! Supposed to pick up labels and help you pick and pack. What do we got here? They want a Yakapoodle ornament. Okay. What we got here? A Tyrannosaurus Rex ornament. Okay. What we got? The rest. Santa Claus can only. He can only handle so much. All right, let's go find these things. All right. Now, I gotta help pick and pack. Pick and pack some ornaments. All right, let's go. All right, I'm looking for a Yakapoodle ornament.
A what?
Yakapoodle. Anybody know what a Yakapoodle is? This will do. I'll put that down here. There's one. All right, done. All right, I'm looking for a Tyrannosaurus Rex. It's not about the gifts, guys. This will do. This will be all right. It's not about the gifts. It's about the thought. Done. All right, that's done. There we go. All right, what do we got here? Oh, there we go. I got one. I got a taco. This is done. All right, that's done. These, you can't handle so much. Don't worry about these guys. It's all right. We'll be all right. We got a box. Jeffrey here. There we go. Hold on. There we go. We'll just do this. We'll do that. We're done. There we go. Next up. This is supposed to be the Acapulco. All right, that's done. Get that out of here. That's out. Pocket ornament. And that's done. I'm here for you guys. That's done. All right, let's go put it on the pallet next. This is what it tells me to do. All right, where's the pallet at? All right, we'll just put it. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger. We'll just put it right here. All right, there you go, kid. All right, there we go. Next on the list. Forklift drivers. Let's go. More horsepower than the old sleigh. Oh, let me see. Oh, let's be careful now. Grab it all good here. Oh, God. Oh, I got it. I'll get it. No. Oh, God. Oh, no. It's okay. We'll put that back there. All right, here we go. All right, we're going now. I'm certified. Go slow. Here. I'm here. Gotta load the pump. Go. Oh gosh. Go. All right, here we go. Oh, no. Get in there. I'm here for you, Avalanche. I'm here there. Oh. Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. I'm here for you. While I'm down here, Avalanche, done wrapping that up, crushing the on-site orders. A lot of nice people on the nice list this year. I'm gonna go ahead and give some Santa gifts out while I'm down here a little early, okay? We got Robert Thomas, hard-working man there, Robert Thomas. There we go. Let's see who we got here. Oh, Larry Smith. There you go, Larry. Been a good boy this year. Good guy. All right. Oh gosh, Sam's sweating here. Mary Lou! Nice list there. Nicole H. Oh, that's been a good girl this year. Good on the naughty, the good list. The good list. Here are Nicole H. We got Becky T. All in New Orleans. USPS. They're a little on the naughty list this year. Ho, Mary Lou, Nicole, and Becky. They already made their trip to the North Pole. I couldn't find them, but your gifts are on their way. Congratulations, guys. I hope you all have a great Christmas. Enjoy the holidays. Thank you. Ho.